Hey everyone, and welcome back to Unbox This with Will. So whether it's the dead of winter with the heat blasting or like here in Texas during the summer with the AC running 24/7, one thing stays the same. The air in our homes can get seriously dry. And you know that feeling, right? Waking up with a dry nose, a scratchy throat, and skin that feels like it's been through the desert. It's just itchy everywhere. My wife and I were definitely feeling it this spring, especially with allergies on top of the AC dryness. That's what led us to this, the Y&O Yo M2 Steam Humidifier. It's not your typical humidifier, and after using it, we think it might be the solution to our constant dryness. Now, first thing you'll notice is its size. It's big, like way bigger than those little tabletop units you might be used to. But that size is for a reason. It holds a massive 10 liters of water, that's over 2.6 gallons, and it's designed to humidify large spaces up to 1,000 square feet. For us, that's more than enough for our master bedroom, which comes in at around 600 square feet. Inside, there are two independent 5-liter tanks. Filling it up is super straightforward. You can pull out each tank individually to fill it up at the sink. They even have handles, which is super handy because 5 liters of water is not light. Or if I'm feeling lazy or just need a quick top off, I can fill it directly from the top without removing the tanks. Just don't go past that max line. Once it's filled, just plug it into a standard 120 volt outlet, find a stable flat surface away from walls and electronics, and pretty much you're good to go. Now this is where the Y&O M2 really stands out. This isn't an ultrasonic or evaporative humidifier. This is a steam humidifier. Let me quickly explain the differences. You've got ultrasonic humidifiers which use vibrations to mist water. They're easy to use and quick for small areas, but they can leave white mineral dust, and it's recommended to use purified water. Then there are evaporative humidifiers. They use a wet filter and a fan to increase water surface area. They're considered safer and don't leave white dust, but they're often slower and require frequent filter changes. Finally, there's steam humidifiers like the Yo M2. This method boils water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and blows it out, creating sterile steam. This kills bacteria, preventing that nasty mold growth and avoids that white dust entirely.
Even water stained with ink comes out finer and cleaner than the competition.
It's filter-free, meaning zero extra cost or hassle, and the steam is cleaner, finer, and more easily absorbed. It does mean higher power usage though, to boil the water. While they use more power than the other types, the sterile output makes it more ideal for the health conscious and sensitive individuals. There's a few key controls here on the panel. Mist levels, low, medium, and high. On high, it pumps out an impressive 1,200 milliliters per an hour. That's significantly faster than many ultrasonic models. Auto mode, this is what we use most. I can set my ideal humidity level, say 40 to 50% for the summers or 60 to 70% for the winters, and the unit will automatically adjust its output to maintain that level. Timer, you can also set up the timer for 1, 2 to 4 hours. On low output, you can run the unit off for 25 hours with a full tank. Lastly, there's a child lock button. Hold this button down to prevent little fingers from changing the settings. It's also surprisingly quiet. You might hear a gentle boiling sound if you're close, but it's really not disturbing, which is great if you're using it in a bedroom. We never really noticed it run. It's a little quieter than our AC. For us, this unit used about 3 to 5 liters every night during the summer. It varied depending on the ambient humidity. We also noticed that the unit was constantly running when it was on, and it used about 1,000 watts an hour of electricity when it was running. I was really surprised how fast the humidity levels changed within a few minutes. Within 10 minutes, we usually saw a 3% humidity change, even with the AC running, and after an hour, we would see anywhere from 5 to 10%. We filled our tanks up with water from the shower head that has a filter to keep extra residue out. But if you have a reverse osmosis system in your home, it's even better. But any tap water will work. Just remember to follow the cleaning instructions every 2 to 4 weeks. So how's it been using it in our home? We've been running it every night on auto mode, and it keeps our room right around 50% humidity without us having to do anything. My wife is particularly sensitive to dry air, and honestly, between the spring allergies and the AC running 24/7, we were both waking up with dry throats and that annoying scratchy nose feeling. But within just a couple of nights of using the YO-M2, we noticed a huge difference. No more waking up feeling dried out. That dry cough that I sometimes get in the morning, gone. My wife even said, and this was a bit of a shocker, she thinks my heavy breathing at night has eased up a little bit, including my snoring. Now, maybe some of that is just the allergies settling, but the air definitely feels noticeably more comfortable. And that's made a big difference in how we sleep. Okay, let's talk maintenance. This is crucial, and thankfully, it's pretty simple once you know how. First rule, always unplug and let the unit cool down completely before cleaning. The heating element gets hot, so be careful. I try to clean it weekly if I'm running it daily, but every 2 to 4 weeks is generally recommended, depending on your scale situation, especially if you see it and it runs dry. You'll want to wipe down the exterior of the unit, clean the tanks with some mild detergent, and clean around the mist outlet and vents. Important cautions: never submerge the base of the unit in water or use harsh scrubbing pads on the heating plate. While tap water is fine, if I have really hard water, I might consider using filtered water or reverse osmosis water to reduce how often I need to descale. All right, so here's the bottom line on the Y&O YO-M2. Huge 10-liter capacity means way less refilling compared to smaller units. Filter-free design saves you money and hassle. Zero ongoing filter costs are always a win. Steam technology provides cleaner, sterile mist without white dust, which is fantastic for air quality, allergies, and sensitive individuals. It's designed for large spaces, it's easy to clean, and it's easy to clean all of the crucial parts. This is made for people who live with dry air all year, whether it's winter heating or summer AC. I think this unit is great for baby rooms, plant lovers, allergy-prone folks, people with respiratory conditions, or if you just got a big room that needs full coverage. If you're tired of dealing with tiny tanks, annoying filters, or that chalky white dust everywhere, and you need something powerful enough for a large room that gives you clean, sterile steam, the Y&O YO-M2 is definitely worth checking out. It may use more power, but output is cleaner and faster. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and I got a link in the description below where you can find it. And you can also use my code in the description for a discount on the Y&O M2. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more no fluff reviews. Have you used a humidifier before, or do you have questions about this one? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.